okay naman ako. Wala akong nararamdaman.
These are famous last words of patients because most of them do have chronic diseases. Like what? Hypertension, diabetes, and high cholesterol. And all of these diseases doesn't present with any symptoms at all. Ako si Dr. Delara, isang cardiologist. Gusto kong pag-usapan natin bakit ang mga chronic diseases ay hindi dapat ignorin. Because early prevention can actually save your life. So what do you mean by chronic diseases? So these are conditions that doesn't go away. So it means it is not something that is treatable, but it is something that is controllable. So ano-ano uli ito? High blood? Hindi siya gumagaling. Nakokontrol mo lang. Diabetes? Hindi siya gumagaling. You only control with medications, lifestyle intervention. And of course, cholesterol. So these are the three conditions that are actually called chronic diseases. So totoo, it can be managed. So chronic diseases can be managed but not cured unless acted early on. Bakit nga ba mga Pilipino very prone for chronic diseases? Kasi tayo, pag walang nararamdaman, okay pa. Kasi there is also limited access to regular check-up to patients. At lalong-lalo na ngayon, poor lifestyle sa mga kabataan. Kapag hindi natin ito nabantayan, mas magiging delikado para sa ating kalusugan at overall na kapakanan. So ano bang mangyayari pag hindi naagapan itong mga chronic diseases na ito? Of course, complications. Anong klaseng complication? Heart attack, stroke. So it entails a lot of expenses, high hospital bills, high maintenance medications, and of course, loss of productivity. Hindi lang ito apektado ikaw bilang pasyente, but also your family as well. So anong pwede mong gawin on your own para ma-monitor mo ang kalusugan mo? So get tested regularly. Check your blood pressure, check your sugar, and check your cholesterol. So small changes actually matters. So galaw po kayo, mas mahabang tulog, so less sugar. So importante, you should not only build awareness of health, not only for yourself, but also to your family. So ang totoo, kung hindi mo mararamdaman ngayon, hindi ibig sabihin ay wala ka na. Tandaan, minsan ang tahimik, siya pa ang panganib. So ako po si Doc Delara, kaya sama-sama po nating bantayan ang ating kalusugan. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe para po sa maraming kaalaman tungkol sa inyong kalusugan.